Are you ready to check out awesome gadgets such as an underhood light or even a brake disc lip removal tool? Then stay until the end of this video so you don't miss out on all the cool gadgets that would make your life easier, and make sure the notification bell is activated on for future videos. If a car dryer is what you're searching for, then stop. For you, there is the Big Boy Blower Mini. To wipe off debris and garbage from your paint, glass, metal, and chrome, this equipment can blow warm, filtered air at up to 155 miles per hour. This product is for enthusiasts looking for a drying solution that is high quality and effective while remaining within their budget. The Big Boy is considerably more practical because of the 3 meters of hose and the 3 different nozzles. Depending on the sensitivity of the material you're trying to clean, you can choose from 3 different temperature levels. Additionally, the double filter system and low noise reduction are additional benefits. The dust and leaves on your car's hood may easily be removed with this small yet effective blower. Are you looking to elevate your overlading setup for your next adventure outdoor? Tyger V-Bracing is a high-quality roof rack, uniquely and exclusively designed with enhanced durability for high-body trucks. The V-plate design makes the rack system much more robust. It enables diagonal bracing that maximizes structural strength to ensure your payload is secured and allows you a good night's sleep outdoors. The Tyger V-Bracing Rack is equipped with more than 100 possible mounting positions where you can place bicycles, camping tents, shovels, and even portable grills. This rack is unique as it can support up to 700 pounds, which makes it a comfortable and portable product. The rack is made of 3 mm thick carbon steel. It is also easy to install as there is no drilling needed in the construction of this rack. Let me introduce you to the most compact and fastest mobile lift on the automotive market. It is mainly used in tire service, vehicle service, and car body construction. The Astra MiniLift X1 is designed to completely lift quickly the vehicle off the ground and to work at the right height. It is versatile and allows you to work in a more ergonomic position. This mobile lift gives you access to the lower area of the vehicle, and due to its shape and safety, it can be placed in the center of the car, raising the front or rear of the car up to 1.10 meters high. This mobile lift system can also lift the front or rear and can also be used to lift one side. The Astra MiniLift X1 is 100% designed and manufactured in Spain, and it is the ideal tool for any workshop. Don't get caught in the dark. With the MATCO UHLVL 1000, you would get a powerful illumination for the entire engine bay. This portable lantern with hood rack and with secure grip is ideal for places with poor lighting. The length of this device is adjustable from 47 to 69 inches and fits many cars and trucks, making it the perfect choice for mechanics working in automotive workshops. The 3 lamps of the MATCO UHLVL 1000 can be rotated 40 degrees to provide the optimal angle of light. You can choose the light settings between high, medium, or low. The light output of this device ranges from 350 to 1000 lumens, and the built-in battery provides 3 to 7 hours of use. This lantern works at temperatures from -5 to +40 degrees Celsius. Using the MATCO UHLVL 1000, you won't even realize that it is dark outside. Are you looking for a stout device that enables jacking and supporting in the right spot? With the 18M RS3 Rennstand by Safe Jack, you will always jack a vehicle safely. This device allows jacking and supporting using interchangeable jack pads. It utilizes a total of 4 high-quality steel pins to support the weight of the vehicle holding cards up to 3 tons. The weight of this jack is 14 pounds, and its height is adjustable from 11.5 to 16.5 inches. On top of all this, the entire Rennstand is of solid steel construction, so that the whole unit is as sturdy as possible. If you are liking this video, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe below for future videos. Laser Tool's brake disc lip removal tool is a fast and efficient gadget specialized in removing rust, corrosion, and dirt from the edges of the brake disc. It consists of an L-shaped handle and a scraper with a hard tungsten carbide tip. To remove rust, just use the original wheel nut and wheel bolt to fix the L-shaped handle in the wheel hub. Place the scraper in the brake disc edge and turn the L-shaped handle while holding the scraper against the brake disc. In a few seconds, rust and corrosion on the brake disc edge will be scraped off. For removing the rust on different parts of the brake disc, just change the location of the scraper. It will remove the lip with just a few turns of the disc, leaving a smooth, clean edge. A flat tire is frustrating and frequently risky because you face the danger of losing control of your vehicle or colliding with another object while making a roadside repair. That won't be an issue any longer thanks to the Slime Flat Tire Repair Kit. A compressor and a container of sealant are also included in this set. The compressor is linked to a 12-volt power accessory connection, and a screw-on tube connects the sealant to the tire. In the majority of kits, the compressor blows air into the flat tire through a canister of tire sealant. This kit can fill a completely flat tire up to its recommended pressure, unlike compressed sealant cans. You can also keep the kit in your car because the sealant isn't pressurized before application. Composed of rubber and fiberglass, the new Airless Michelin Uptis is made to last longer, use less gasoline, and be recyclable. These tires that have been pre-deprinted are unbeatable and almost impossible to puncture. These Michelin tires don't get flat at all, so they won't be a possible threat if you have a flat tire on the road. Its Airless technology helps reduce routine maintenance, including pressure monitoring and damage checks, keeping in mind the idea of sustainability. If you have any desire to go on outdoor adventures, roof racks are a must-have. Having said all that, there are instances when it would be great to avoid having an empty rack spoil your car's look. Your roof rack problems can be solved creatively with Stag Rack. Their detachable roof rack allows you to put it on and take it off as needed, keeping your gear completely secure when in use and maintaining the appearance of your car when it doesn't look its best. Each rack can support about 90 kilograms of vertical and lateral grip. Additionally, this device is compatible with a variety of tools. The ski rack has space for 6 to 8 skis and 4 snowboards. Prepare for your next adventure by simply picking your rack. If you like this video, don't forget to leave us a like and comment and subscribe below for future videos that would make your life easier.